if you have ever went to visit Thabo Bester, you better talk now before your name get exposed. Anyway, guys, so welcome to Thule Entertainment. Thank you so much for joining me. Do not forget to subscribe, to like, and comment. The following story of Thabo Bester, who escaped from prison in May 2022 after it was believed he died in a fire in his prison cell. Guys, that's very shocking. The Thabo Bester saga has brought a news shocking twist that it is now involving some of South African favorite celebrity. Recent information making rounds on social media suggests that the female celebrity who visited Thabo Bester in prison, it is the one and only Simphiwe Ngema. This came after the reality star Umam Kizzy made a video saying that she did not even went to visit Thabo Bester. She doesn't even know who's Thabo Bester. I was very shocked when I see Umam Kizzy did that video, and I'm glad that she did that video. You know what? You don't want your name to be dragged. At the end of the day, still celebrity are brands. You imagine now you involve yourself in such a saga. But anyway, guys, it looks like the Thabo Bester investigation is going to be unearth a lot of juicy stories. It will implicate a lot of people, including our South African celebrity. I do feel sorry for, especially for our Simphiwe Ngema. But Simphiwe Ngema respond to the allegations saying that meaning that are being disrespected. But I just feel like she also has to do a video explaining herself, honey. We don't trust any celebrity, honey. We don't trust any celebrity because you celebrity do always disappoint us. But I do feel sorry for her. I mean, I want to believe, but I don't want to believe. I don't want to believe, but I don't know. At the end of the day, we hopefully everything come to to light, because we want to know the truth, guys. When it comes to this story, we don't even care about what's going on in South Africa, about the load shedding. We want the truth. If you know that you're a celebrity, I feel like a celebrity. If you know yourself that what, I've involved myself, I went to the prison. You better say it now. Don't waste our time. Don't waste our time. Do not waste our time. Anyway, guys, do not forget to subscribe, to like, and comment. Thank